Hola! Magandang umaga mga kababayan, magandang tanghali at magandang gabi sa inyong lahat. Ayan, meron na naman akong panibagong videos para sa inyo. Welcome po sa aming channel, Meet Inigo. Ang mga videos ni Inigo ay from 2 years old to 2.5 years old. Ayan, malapit nang maging 3 years old ang inyong mapapanood. Ang mapapanood nyo ngayon ay ang mga activities ni Inigo, kung paano siya naglalaro, mga different kinds of toys. Yan ang kanyang mga ginagawa after school. Si Inigo pala ay nasa daycare school na siya nung nagsimula nung January. Marami kasi ang nag-advise sa amin na why not ipasok namin siya sa school upang makasalamuhan niya ang kanyang mga kaedad para matuto daw siya kung paano ang kanilang pagsasalita. Yun, at nag-usap kami ng aking asawa at nag-decide kami na pag-aralin siya sa daycare. At the same time, meron siyang speech therapy doon. Pumapasok din yung speech therapy teacher niya at yung occupational therapist niya. Nag-aaral din siya at nakikipaglaro sa mga kaedad niya. Pagkatapos nun, pag nasundo na namin siya, ayun, naglalaro siya ng pakonti-konti dito sa bahay. May mga laruan din siya, different kind of educational toys. Ayan, mapapanood nyo kung ano yung mga makakatulong sa kanya at paglalaro at the same time dito sa bahay. And on August 12, 2024, meron na siyang development doctor na titingin sa kanya at kung ano man ang magiging resulta ay malalaman nyo at sana ay makatulong din sa mga ibang parents kung ano ang mga dapat gawin, kung ano ang mga dapat hindi gawin upang matulungan natin ang ating mga anak. Kung ano man ang magiging diagnosis ng doktor kay Inigo, ay patuloy nating mahalin ang ating anak. Kasi syempre, blessing yan ng Panginoon at kung ano man anong tulong na may po-provide ng gobyerno sa aking anak ay i-take advantage natin kasi dito sa Texas ay marami namang mga schools at marami ding ipro-provide na sa mga special needs ni Inigo. Ayan, sana magustuhan nyo ang mga videos na ito at maraming salamat po. Hola!
Activity time! Okay, Inigo! What is this? Inigo! What is this? What's this? Ball. Good job. What's this? Shoes. Good job. What's this? Hat. Good job. What's this? What's this? Bike. Good job. What's this? Socks. What's this? What's this? Plane. Good job. What's this? Truck. Good job. What's this? What's this? What's this? Tomato. Good job. What's this? Train. What's this? Carrots. Carrots. Good job. What's this? What's this? Flower. Good job, Inigo. A yellow. Oh, what color is that? What color is that? Brown. Good job, Inigo. Brown. Oh. Oh, what color is that? What color? Green. Good job, Inigo. Oh, what color is that? What color is that? Can I see? Can I see it? Orange! Good job, Inigo! Orange! Oh, what else? Oh, what color is that? What color? Oh, asan ang color niya? Uh-oh, you cannot find it. Wow! What color is that? Pink! Oh, what color is that? What color is that? Uh-oh, what color is that? Orange. What color is that? Good job, Inigo. Orange. Oh, what color is that? What color is that? Your favorite color. What color is that? Can I see it? What color is that? Yellow! Whoa, banana! Good job, Inigo! Yellow! Oh, yeah. Yellow. Oh, what else? What else? Blue. Where's the color blue? Where's the color blue? Oh, good job. Oh, ano pa ang kulay? Marami pa, oh. Marami pang hindi nabubuo. Oh, ang dami na niya nabuo. Oh, purple. Oh, what color is that? Where's the color purple? Pink. What color is this? Oh, what color is that? Oh, pink. Good job. Oh, purple. Where's the purple? Oh, purple. Where's the color purple? Oh, tabi natin. Tabi. Oh, what color is that? Oh, what color is that? Green. 2, 1. Good job, Inigo. Oh, dami mo nang nabuo. Oh, dami mo nang nabuo. What color is that? Inigo. What color is that? What color? Oh, blue. Blue. Oh, what else? So where's the purple? Purple. Where's the color purple? We still have 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh, 7, 8. Oh, what's the color purple, Pab? Color black. Black. Where's the color black? Pagod na? P. What's this? P. the B? B. Find the C. Where's the C? Where's the C? C. C. Find the D. Where's the D? Here. Where's the D? D. Good job. Where's the E? E. Where's the E? E. E. Good job. E. F. Where's the F? F. Good job. F. Right there. F. Other way. F. Oh. G. Where's the G? Good job. G. H. Where's the H? H. Good job. H. I. Where's the letter I? I. Where's the letter I? I. Where's the letter I? Oh. I. Good job. J. There's no J. Okay na. K. K. Here. K. K. J. There's no J. K na. K. 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 Good job. Oh, L. L. Where's the L? K. Here. K. Okay. Oh, L. Where's the L? L. 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 Good job. L. M. M. That's not M. Here. That's W. M. Here. M. M. Good job. N. Where's the letter N? Good job. N. Good job. N. O. Where's the letter O? O. O. P. Where's the letter P? Good job. P. Where's the letter Q? Q. Where's the letter Q? Where's the letter Q? Q. Q. Good job. Letter Q. Here, like this. Oh, Q. R. Letter R. R. S. S. Good job. It's letter S. T. Letter T. Good job, Inigo. He knows all the letters. T. U. U. Where's the letter U? U. Where's the letter U? Oh, U. Here, U. Oh, here, U. Where's the letter U? U. Here, U. U. This one first. U. U. Good job. Oh, where's the letter V? V. Good job. Oh, where's the letter W? V. Where's the letter W? V. W. Good job. X. S. Good job. Y. Good job. And C. Yay. Good job, Inigo. Very good. Hi. Go. No. You wait for the light. Go. 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 Go, Inigo. Go! Go! Oh. Go! Tignan mo ah! Go! Allah! Go!